Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is chapter 10, perimeter and area. Okay, students, in our previous chapter, basic geometrical shapes, in that we discussed about plane figures. What are plane figures? So what is the another name of, we can call the plane figures with as a 2D figures. Okay, plane figures we can call it as a 2D figures, means two-dimensional figures. We know at the time we discussed about a square, rectangle, triangle and a quadrilateral. Okay, we discussed about these. So these all figures are what now examples of a 2D figures. Yes, now in this chapter we are going to measure their perimeters. Perimeter is nothing but what Nana? The length of the boundary of a closed figure. Okay, now a closed plane figure. Okay, now see, down a circular path. For example, this is a ground. Okay, now this is what Nana? A playground. This is a playground. So what I am drawing here, this is the path. This is what Nana? This part is what? Walking path or running path. ఓకే నా ఒక సర్క్యులర్ గ్రౌండ్కి చుట్టూ రన్ చేయడానికి ఒక సర్క్యులర్ పాత్ అనేది ఉంది. ఓకేనా, సో ఏ పర్సన్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ, ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ, he is starting from A and moving like this, running or walking. Then he end with complete one round. Okay, where he started and he stopped at there only. ఎక్కడి నుంచి అయితే స్టార్ట్ చేశాడో either running or walking and he stopped at there only. So completely he finished one round. So the distance or the length is covered by the particular person is called what Nana? It's a perimeter. Okay, so in our villages or in cities, somebody's they want to fence a field around his field. వాళ్ళకు ఒక ఫ్లాట్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ ఫ్లాట్ పర్టికులర్గా ఈ షేప్లో ఉందనుకుందాం, a flat in the shape of a quadrilateral. So he want to fence a field around his field with a wire. తన ల్యాండ్ ద ఫీల్డ్ చుట్టూ కూడా తను వైర్ తోటి ఫెన్స్ చేయాలనుకుంటారు. ఓకేనా, సో దెన్ హౌ మచ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ వైర్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్, అప్పుడు తనకి ఎంత వైర్ అనేది రిక్వైర్డ్ అవుతుంది. దెన్ హౌ యూ నో? బై మెజరింగ్ ద లెంత్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ సైడ్స్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ నా, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ perimeter of the particular field. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to find the perimeter and area of a plane figures. Okay, now let us see some examples. Okay, students, now do this first question. The question is given like this: ABCD is a plane figure. ABCD is a plane figure. Find its perimeter. Okay, now perimeter means what Nana? The length of the boundary of a closed figure is called its perimeter. Okay, the length of the boundary of a closed figure is called its perimeter. Now see clearly, I am going to find the perimeter of the particular plane figure. So perimeter is equals to the sum of the lengths of all the sides of a, the sum of the lengths of all the sides of a given figure. Means that is what na? AB plus the length of AB plus the length of BC plus
DC.
the length of CD plus the length of DA. Okay now. So now I am going to add all the sides of a closed figure. The length of AB is what na? That is 40 meter plus the length of BC is plus the length of DA is what na? That is 10 meter. Now we can add 40 plus 10, that is 50, and 50 plus 40, that is 90. 90 plus 10, that is what na? 100 meter. So perimeter is equals to what na?
100 meters.
That is 100 meters. We know, children, actually by adding the lengths of all the sides of a plane figure, so this is actually rectangle. We know at the time we discussed what are the just basic property of a rectangle. A rectangle means it has a length and a breadth. Yes or no? We know opposite sides are equal and parallel. Ante ABCD is a rectangle. Then AB is equal to CD and as well as AB is parallel to CD, and DA is equal to CB and DA is parallel to CB. Okay na? These are what na? Rectangle ki two sides are opposite sides are equal and parallel, and each angle measures 90 degrees. Okay, so we know this is the length, and CD also what na? Length. AB is length and CD also length. DA is breadth and BC also breadth. So if I want perimeter, now perimeter kavali, then I am going to add the all sides. Here length AB means what na? Plus BC plus CD plus DA. So AB means that is length plus BC means that is breadth plus CD means that is also L plus DA means that is also B. So clearly we get here మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది P is equals to అంటే perimeter is equals to 2 L's 2 lengths plus 2 breadths. How many lengths are there? L plus L 2L, B plus B 2B, 2 lengths 2 breadths. So P is equals to, I am going to take out a common 2. ikkada 2 undi, ikkada 2 undi. So that's why I am going to take out a common. Then here L plus B. So this is the perimeter of a rectangle formula. Perimeter is equals to 2 of L plus B. Now this is the required formula for rectangle. Okay na? Perimeter is equals to 2 of L plus B. So by using the formula I am going to find it. Yeah, we know this is the length and this is the breadth. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is equals to, that is 2 of L plus B units. This is the formula. Then 2 of L, the length is what na? Length, that is 40 plus breadth, that is what na? 10. Okay, now what are the units? Given units are meters. Then 2 of 40 plus 10 what? That is 50 meters. So 2 of 50, that is equals to what na? 250 are 100 meters. So by using the formula you can find like this. By adding the sides, okay, now already we discussed in case 1. Now in case 2, by using the formula we can find the perimeter like this. Okay, now see one more question. Now see one more question, Anna. So now find the perimeter of a given figure. So figure is, that is what na, PQRS is a plane figure with the side PQ is equals to 5 centimeter and QR is equals to 5 centimeter and RS is equals to 5 centimeter and SP is equals to 5 centimeters. So by adding the lengths of all sides, so the perimeter of the particular plane figure PQRS is equals to, that is what nana, PQ and the P means that is nothing but what nana, perimeter is equals to the lengths of sum of the lengths of all sides, means that is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Okay, so we know the length of PQ is what nana, 5 centimeter plus the length of QR is equals to 5 centimeter plus the length of RS is equals to 5 centimeter plus the length of SP is equals to 5 centimeter. So clearly 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. So perimeter that is equals to what nana, 20 centimeters. Perimeter is equals to what, 20 centimeters. Okay, by adding the lengths of all sides. But actually we know what is this, this is a square actually. PQRS is a what nana, PQRS is a square. Okay, PQRS is a square. We know in a square all sides are equal. Any sides PQ is equals to, QR is equals to, RS is equals to SP. All sides are equal and all angles measures 90 degrees and the diagonals also equal in a square. Now by using the formula, so a square is like this, PQRS. We know I am taking a side is A. Okay na? What is its perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but sum of the lengths of all sides. Ante that is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Means the perimeter is equals to the length of PQ is A, the length of QR is A, the length of RS is A units and the length of SP is, that is also A units. Now perimeter is equals to A plus A plus A plus A. There are 4 A's are there. So that is what nana, 4A. Ikkada A is nothing but what nana, this is the side of a square. Ante the perimeter is equals to, that is 4 into length of any side, either PQ or QR or RS or SP. Okay, so by using this formula now I am going to find the perimeter. Okay, now the perimeter of a square is equals to, what is the formula? Perimeter of a square is equals to, that is 4 into length of any side, Okay, so that is 4 into the length of any side, means the PQ is equals to 5 centimeter, QR is equals to 5 centimeter, RS is equals to 5 centimeter, SP is equals to 5 centimeter. All sides are equal. So that's why length of any side ఏ తీసుకున్నా అది 5 centimeter అవుతుంది. Then 4 5s are what nana, 20 centimeters. So by using the formula we can find like this. So you to take different kinds of figures and by adding the all sides, okay na, by adding all sides, okay na, you will get the perimeter, the length of all sides. So you to try some other figures. So thank you, we will meet in next class.